Erawan National Park Ranger Wang Ba Dan. Now I'm getting down from the van to the waterfall Sayok Nak. That's the name called Sayok Nak. I forgot the name, and so that's the lady just below us. For the waterfall right here, you cannot bring all this is the right here to this waterfall. To climb the staircase for getting into the waterfall right here in front of me, you can hear the sound of water just falling from the top. So that's the view of the whole area. As you can see, there are many more crowd right here because it is one of the relaxing places to have, and it is one of the destinations for some quality time as well as for some photo sessions right here in the waterfall. Hi, good evening. It's Erawan from Vegas. Right now I'm standing here on the waterfall in Kanchanaburi in the middle of Thailand. As you can see, kids are just flying and enjoying on the waterfall, and you can hear the sound of the water just moving down from the hilltop right here. And this hill is too slippery. You need to be careful before getting into the hill right here as well. There are many more crowd. See, the hill is too slippery. You have to be careful before getting into the waterfall. So that's the view. There's water moving down like a manipulation right here from the top. Apart that we have a restroom, as you can see. You can just follow the embarkation. It's free from smoking and noting area, no smoking, no alcohol. And it's necessary for having the place be quiet and needs to be clean, right? This may be another water manipulation right here, as you can see in front of me. And we have also a small bamboo right here. Now I'm going to another side. And we have also some crazy stuff in Sayok Nak Waterfall right here, as you can see 702. And it's maybe the train engine right here. Just parking sadly inside the Sayok Nak Waterfall. So that's the view. It's maybe the train from World War II, as I can see in the a Thai War Memorial Museum right in Kanchanaburi. So that's the view of the train engine right from this parking on this Sayok Nak Waterfall or in Kanchanaburi. And we have also many more a small vendor for food and clothes right here inside the Sayok Nak. And I can also show you the main road. From here we can go to our destinations as well as Bangkok and other cities. So that's the view of the road. Our car is just parking right here. So after half hour we need to go there from here to Bangkok. So that's the view of the road. The signboard, you need to follow this when you will walk around the whole area. Without following this, you also try to by walking around the whole area. So you must follow the signboard, but it may be written in Google language, that is Thai. So there must be English for having understanding to tourists. It's the way for the rest room and water source right here. We need to flow the embarkation. Now I'm just show you the area. And right here, just displaying Namtak Sayok Nak. So I need to go to the upstairs for seeing the whole area. This is the upper section and upper deck of this Sayok Nak Waterfall. I'm so tired and exhausted while climbing too many staircases, and also it is too hot. So anyway, this is the view of the upper section in Sayok Nak Waterfall. As you can see, this sign tells for the restroom, and this is the view of the whole area. As you can see, this really nice place and good place. As you can see, also see the mountain top right here in this Sayok Nak hill. People just relaxing on the recline. Now I'm going to the water source on this Sayok Nak hill. So let's go, and this is just stop me here. The waterfall. So I need to have a sit on this motorbike. So that's the view. of the motorway, and we need to go there. Oh, it is too bumpy. Anyway, I can go water source this way, as you can see. So there may be two people just coming from the water source right here in front of me on this motorway. So that's the view of the whole route for the motorway. View of Thai dogs. Yes, come here. So many dogs. Now we are going to the water source. So that's like this really fresh atmosphere right here on the Sayok Nak Hill. So that's the view of the road for water shores right in Sayok Nak Hill. Too much hot, very exhausted. It's about maybe 35. National Park Ranger Wang Ba Dan. The flag of Thailand right here, as you can see. There is keep so quiet. You need to have and do not drink any alcoholic beverages within national park. It is national park. Penalty is 1,000 baht. So we need to care about this toilet right here on this side. So that's the view of the whole area. A water source in the Sayok Nak Hill. Can go you and show the water resources of the Sayok Nak Hill. Water is gently just moving from here and just fall on the Sayok Nak Hill area. So that's just the water connection right here from this Sayok Nak Hill. There are lots many more fishes right here, as you can see. Some pieces it's too big, so that's the view of the bee. This is right here in the Sayok Nak water source. As you can see, there are lots many more fishes right here. Kids are just enjoying and relaxing on these water resources in Sayok Nak Hill, and you can see and enjoy the whole area in Sayok Nak Hill. After viewing the source of the waterfall, I need to go down to again to Sayok Nak Hill. Right here in front of me, this is the motorway. From here, I can go to again to the main destinations where I just came here. So that's the view of the road. At the upper section of Sayok Nak Hill, from the water source of the Sayok Nak Hill, as you can see, I just came here from this motorway, and this gentleman just dropped me here. So that's the view of the whole area. Now I am going down to the waterfall area and see what's up and what's going on, and how many people just enjoying and to fun in this area. So let's go. It's very boredom walk. We need to climb again down so many staircases when you are exhausted. This is a really boredom walk. Anyway, we have to go to the main area. And one important thing is that the train return over here number 40 JRT from Thai War Memorial Museum to Kwai River. The train is managed by JRT. JRT manages all tour information guide as well, and they can provide all itinerary when you travel and have a look to this area for a whole day. So Thai people mostly so calm and they're so smiley. So this is one of the very most attraction for people all over the world. That's why many people come here for such a tip of the Thai people. After so much walk, I'm so tired. Now I'm getting down to the main road. So my hand, this is all of Sayok Nak Hill. You must come here when you are in Thailand. This is one of the dedication is for having some quality time as well as some refreshing feeling right here inside this Sayok Nak hill, and this is also one of the part of the Sayok Nak Wildlife Conservation area. Lots many more crowd here because the air is so quiet, and it is one of the great locations for having some good photo. So that's the view of the whole area, and you guys, now I am going to complete the video, and before going up, you guys please do subscribe and smash the like button and stay tuned with me for my next upcoming. So thank you, bye bye till then, next.